Good morning from Prudent Prosperity, Thursday, July the 24th. Here are 5 things you need to know today. Number 1. U.S. stock futures traded mixed on Thursday, as hopes for a USCU trade deal kept fresh records in sight, and Wall Street assessed earnings from tech giants Alphabet and Tesla. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures dropped 0.4% amid a post-earnings slide in IBM after the blue chip index ended just shy of its first record close this year. Meanwhile, contracts on the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 rose roughly 0.3%, while S&P 500 futures were little changed on the heels of another all-time closing high. Number 2. Tesla shares are lower by nearly 6% in pre-market trading after the electric vehicle maker posted second quarter earnings that missed analysts' expectations as sales fell for the second straight quarter. Tesla reported adjusted earnings per share of 40 cents on revenue that fell 12% year-over-year, below the estimates. CEO Elon Musk told investors on Tesla's earnings call that the company could also have a few rough quarters ahead, with EV credits in the U.S. set to expire after the passage of the One Big Beautiful bill signed by President Donald Trump earlier this month. Number 3. Google parent Alphabet reported second quarter revenue and profit that beat analysts' expectations, driven by rising cloud and search sales, and lifted its outlook for capital spending this year. The search giant's revenue grew 14% year-over-year, above the Visible Alpha analyst consensus, while net income rose to $2.31 per share, up from $1.89 per share a year earlier. Google Cloud revenue jumped 32%, while search and other revenue grew 12%, both above estimates. AI is positively impacting every part of the business, driving strong momentum, CEO Sundar Pichai said. Alphabet shares are higher by more than 3% in pre-market trading. Number 4. Shares of Chipotle Mexican Grill are falling by more than 10% in pre-market trading after the burrito chain scaled back its same-store sales outlook. Chipotle said second quarter revenue rose 3% year-over-year, while adjusted earnings per share came in at 33 cents, both in line with Visible Alpha consensus estimates. The chain also reported that comparable restaurant sales fell 4%, while projecting same-store sales to come in about flat this year. That's down from the low single-digit growth rate it projected when it turned in first quarter results, possibly raising questions about the dining business and the road ahead for consumer spending. Number 5. Trump said that reciprocal tariffs on U.S. trading partners would range from 15% to 50%, coming as negotiations with the European Union continue. We'll have a straight, simple tariff of anywhere between 15% and 50%, Trump said Wednesday, according to a report from Bloomberg. His comments suggested that countries will face a baseline tariff of 15%, coming after he and other officials had suggested that some trading partners could see tariffs as low as 10%. Trump's comments follow the announcement of 15% tariffs on Japan. And that's it for today.
If any of today's insights sparked a question or made you think about your own financial journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's take your next step together, strategically and confidently. And always remember, stay prudent, stay prosperous, make it a great day.